touch.
Why?
Because she's mine. I love her so much. She's my heart. Daddy, you love Mommy?
Yes.
Then why you make coffee for neighbor?
It was just coffee.
Okay, but I'm watching you. Why did you kiss Mommy? Mommy is only mine, okay?
Okay.
Say okay louder.
Okay.
Good boy.
Good. Did you call the police?
Yes. Mommy won't let me hold a baby. They go to jail.
Oh my.
Mommy and Daddy want to bring a new baby instead of me. Please, please, arrest them and take them to jail.
Oh. You can't. I can't.
Why do you call Daddy my love? I'm your only love, okay?
Okay.
Say okay louder.
Okay.
Okay, I forgive you. Don't touch.
Why?
Because she's mine. I love her so much. She's my heart.
My beautiful little ones.